Kennedy Kongsin, Ubalasha Keno, Pyniap Yakakong Eilang Pawa, Kabalai Pukandai Snem Kerta Nora, Udon Mynta ha Prasngi Kjinsha set Haki Pulit, Hadian Bag Jingbitar Kala Jingbin. Yakani Lapin Tip Dau SP ke East Khasi Hills Viveks Iem. Ki Pulit Mynta Kilapin Klan Baha Yakajing Token, but Kilapin Wandur Biang Yakajinja, Katkum Kajing Plajong U. Hagani Kajing Wandur U Kennedy, Ulayalam Miki Pulit Shakajaka Bajaka Kam. But ulapin kumnu ulale yakaniga kamrunar, daga bayalam yakai shapo kajaka paidbah, but Pyniap yaka, but hadian ulabret yakamed hagabinta kabalong klaw. Khubor pulin, kilapinya yakani kamukaduma lingba special investigation team, ban pinstead yakajing tokit, but ban pingat mukaduma kloy kat bala. Katkum kajing tokin, u Kennedy ulakamba ulale yakani namar Jingbitar, Henry ki doktor kila deb ban paidbah ya kajingmut jing perkhat jong u, bat kilab bulong u bakot bakia. Kajing tokit Mynta kadang ya cekman, malap shushu ikajing shisha baro.
An update on the Nongpoh case involving the lady.
Well, we got 8 days custody for Kennedy Kongsin, and in this 8 days we have done substantial amount of interrogation, and today we have done the reconstruction on his admission to the crime. He has led the police team in the presence of independent witnesses of how he had committed the crime, where he had taken her behind the house to a public toilet and slammed her against one concrete structure and then disposed her body in a sack. So that is the gist of the reconstruction, and the special investigation team will be endeavoring to charge sheet the case as early as possible.
What is the motive?
The motive is though he had befriended her, but he got, as per his initial interrogation, he had, statement, he said that he got irritated, and in a reaction to the irritation from caused by her, he had actually slapped her. So she was, it seems, teasing him, saying something which he didn't like.
So they both that rage and
Rage, yes, rage is the reason.
So psychologically, is he?
His psychological assessment has been done, and he's found to be mentally stable.
So what is the background? Is he affected by any?
We have to regarding his background, what happened in his childhood, that is yet to be seen.